I don't know if y'all know this ugly mofo.
She's pretty.
But
sweetness.
We on. This is his first video being on. But
hey, hold up. I'm live.
You're live.
I'm live.
You live. Wait, you definitely live.
I'm live.
Alright guys, so here we are, another cold day in the middle of you know what, getting prepared for you know what. What are we getting prepared for? IFO? That's the first. I don't like telling secrets, but this is the swap we did over the summer. If you guys follow on Instagram, this was nice and clean. I don't know what he did to it since then. He just drive like he done lost his mind. So, are we gonna put this power chamber on today?
No, we're doing suspension.
Might as well. Okay, so we're redoing the suspension on this EP3, but I shouldn't have to tell many secrets about it. Oh, you know what? You're phony. What's this? What's happening here?
Hey, chill. Hey, look. Hey. Didn't I tell you I got everything?
Well, here. No, just in case you...
Nope. I don't even want to put it on yet. It's a 5-speed. Let them think.
Anyway, that's what they're gonna think on the road. That's the whole purpose. That's the reasoning behind this. That's the reason why this looks like this. Because sleeper's the way to go. You don't get harassed by the cops because they think your car is slow.
Right? Yeah, she's not a 6-speed. She's a 5 right now.
So.
All right, so let's get to the parts. So we have.
What the heck are we doing today?
New bolts. Going new plate in the rear.
And y'all know I buy eBay everything, so.
Nope, not me.
This car has everything name brand on it.
Yep.
I ain't this fancy.
Label horror.
Yeah, nah.
We got our beaks bar. And we also have.
Oh, we're doing it all today.
We have some LCAs with some spherical bearings.
Make sure y'all get these. Make sure you upgrade if you're like me and you're still running the ones from 10 years ago. All right, we getting to work.
That's right. That's right.
But I don't feel like sitting the rest of the day cleaning underneath my nails for work tomorrow.
Nope, I ain't trying to clean up under mine either.
You got rubber gloves in there?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh, there these go.
You know I got everything, bro. You know I'm an overthinker.
The hood is open on this Accord for no reason. I was using it to jump my car. Anyways, this glove is broke.
It's plenty.
And away we go. Oh, clearly, we'll leave this for some. Oh, it's not at full crank.
You know when to jack them up yet, right?
Yeah, but I wanted to see how. Look
at that, Mar boy. I got still.
Okay. All right. Let's get this thing up. All right. Two old guys working on a Hondo. Ah, crap. Huh. All of a sudden, the key started to work for this BMW. Alright guys, so as you can see, these are all rounded off. Well, not rounded off, they're kind of cut with like the easy off. So what we have to end up doing is pretty much, see now we have new bolts for both sides. We have to pretty much beat on 17s or 11/16s, which is the next size up, in order to take these off. Alright, last bolt. Let's hope this is successful. Yay. That one looked good for the YouTubes. Just in case you guys thought 11/16s were good for nothing, they're good for when you use easy offs to loosen up bolts. So
11/16s are disposable, guys. Hold on, we got one more.
11/16s, the expendables.
You got it out? You got one out?
Let's go. Let's rock. Now we are reversing the process.
All right.
I'm still posting this. I know most people don't post the reverse process.
That's when it ends.
But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna spray these. Shit spray. Do you have Loctite?
I believe I do there, guys.
So we're gonna Loctite the bolts.
That goes on there. I'm just prepping.
Yo, you guys ever see a mechanic from the 80s? Like the ones that wear the whole jumper and have a cigarette hanging out the mouth? He looked like...
Under the gas tank!
Listen, he looked like he's about to smoke a cigarette, run 8 miles, and go cut some beef.
I work on jets with this. Hold up, Lamar. Ain't these supposed to face down?
These are...
This. Or does it matter?
Yeah, no, it does matter. It definitely matters. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna try to show you. So, with the way this one is set up, there is a bushing that goes behind the ASR subframe brace, and then it connects. This is gonna be where the beaks bar goes, and then it connects up to this sway bar. So, but do not forget to put that bushing behind there, or
you will crush your subframe.
Yeah, you're gonna crush the subframe. It's gonna be not good. So we're gonna get the other side up, and actually we're pretty much gonna be almost done after this. We are gonna raise the coilovers up, and then we will show you what it looks like with the wheels on.
Ooh, yeah.
There's plenty of ugga duggas.
Ugga duggas.
All right, guys, we're almost there. All right, beaks bar.
First off, we might have to get this in a little bit more. Hold on, let's see.
No, you got to do it. You see how you have to pull these out so you can drop this one bolt that doesn't go in, right?
Underneath the, yeah, so something underneath the.
And then we got to tighten up these 212s.
Oh, my elbow! Mom! I'm coming home, shit! Oh, shit ain't funny.
I don't want to play no more.
Hey guys, just for instance, don't get your gloves stuck in there because you ain't getting it back.
Look at all this! Look at all this! What you guys don't know, what we're going to do next is we're going to cut all the interior out of this car. No, look, no, we're going to cut the, what do? They cut all the body supports out and then put the interior back on top. That's how we do it. It's a weight reduction. Look, I can't feel my fingers.
I'm trying to run 300 horsepower with AC. Watch me do it. Yeah, the glove got my way too.
Alright guys, look how pretty this is.
She back. She back.
I mean, this is a little dirty because it's been there for about 7 months, something like that.
About 4.5, 5, yeah. That's ultra racing.
We did the swap last year.
I did this.
Yeah, you did this when we did the swap.
Sure enough, did.
Yep.
Yes, yeah. Good memory.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. The front one matched too, just where you see up under there.
Look at that. Look at it. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Oh, wait. There's more. It's the whole reason behind doing this, guys. Come on. Do the suspension stuff so we can do wheels.